Neighbours turns X-rated as Paige Smith makes sex noises in family cafe. Neighbours cast David Tanaka, Takeya Honda, had been discussing reconciling with his boyfriend Aaron Brennan, Matt Wilson, after they broke up over Aaron's ex Rory. But in yesterday's episode, Aaron and Rory actually spent the night together after Rory came round to comfort him. Poor Paige, Olympia Valance, accidentally dropped the bombshell as she tried to joke with David about the night before. She joked, "You must be feeling pretty blissed out right now. I wasn't trying to listen in, but the noises I heard coming from Aaron's bedroom last night were really hard to miss. I'm just so happy that you guys got back together, don't be embarrassed." Poor David was left devastated as he realized that Aaron had slept with Rory behind his back. Meanwhile, fans rushed to social media to scold Paige for not being subtle. One posted, "Paige was essentially just complimenting David on his bottoming skills in the middle of a family restaurant." Another added, "Really not holding back. Paige and her big mouth." A third chipped in, "Wow, nice one Paige." A fourth wrote, "Oh no Paige." Well, at least someone else's love life is even more indecisive than your own, I guess. Can David ever forgive Aaron? Neighbours continues tomorrow at 1:45 p.m. on Channel 5.